Hello everyone. So in this video, I'll be explaining how footballers take those curling free kicks, and this is associated with a force called the Magnus force. I'll also be explaining the various uses of this Magnus force. So firstly, to start off with, this force or effect, Magnus Effect, was founded by Henry Gustav Magnus in 1853 while he was investigating how tennis balls curve in a tennis match. As we saw in the previous video, this paper cylinder was rotating anti-clockwise like this. We saw that when dropped from a height, the paper cylinder fell directly downwards, and in fact it came towards me. So now I'll try to explain why this happens. So now let's imagine a paper cylinder like this, and it's rotating clockwise. And there's airflow on the bottom and at the top. So now let's go to the top. The airflow on the top actually gets neutralized because the paper cylinder rotates clockwise and the airflow is against this. So the net force between them gets neutralized, and hence there's no force created over here. And now we go to the bottom. The airflow on the bottom, as you can see over here, goes like this and curves behind the ball like this, because the paper cylinder is rotating clockwise, as you can see, and so the airflow actually gathers around the ball and goes upwards behind the ball. So this actually pushes the ball a little bit upwards, and by Newton's third law, that is, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So the airflow on the top actually produces a similar force of same magnitude downwards, and this is called the Magnus force, which pushes the cylinder down, and hence it proves that why the ball or cylinder goes directly downwards. Now we'll look at some of the uses of the Magnus effect. In today's world and in modern ships, instead of fuel and diesel, there are big cylinders on the ship which rotate like this, which propel the ships forward. Another use is during football matches when top players are able to curve their free kicks. Now I think you'll be able to understand the history behind the Magnus effect and how it works. Thank you.